Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to take a look at the performance monitoring tools in VA Smalltalk. To get started, what you need to do is go to the Load Unload Features thing here, wait for that to come up, and then scroll a little more than halfway down, and what you'll see down here is Performance Workbench. Move that over to the right and load that in. That'll bring you in all the performance tools the VA ships with. Now, the one I wanted to take a look at today, if you go to the Tools menu again after loading that, you'll find down here towards the bottom there's a new option, Open Benchmark Workshop. That's the one we're going to start looking at. Now, I'm going to make this a little bigger. Thing is, over here you have the block you're going to run, and then over here you have the results, and then there's some menu options. Now, the thing is, at least to me, this didn't seem that obvious at first. These are the options for things you can run here. And it isn't as simple as just typing something in. So if I wanted to put in, say, factorial block, and then put in here a name for it, and then in here something like, well, I don't know, 100 factorial. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this because I don't want to lose what I just typed. I thought you just do this and then run, but it turns out that doesn't actually do what I thought. What you have to do is put your code in here, and then down here, right-click, there's an option called Save. And this is an interesting one. It creates a Scratch edition. Of course, we're working in NB, so what it does is it creates a Scratch edition of ESB benchmarks. We're going to go ahead and say OK on that. And now we have our new factorial block, and you see that it actually added it to the menu. Now at this point, we can actually run this. So this is kind of the process of using this. You add your code that you want to test here. Make sure that you actually save it. And once you've done changes, it'll be saved. And then it'll be available up here in this menu. And at this point, you can actually start running things and getting test results. So we'll go on to that in the next screencast. I just kind of wanted to outline what you have to do to get things to work before we get any further on that. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.